Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to apply for Opera News monetization in Nigeria. So once you have opened the app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then it shows your profile and select Opera News Hub or become a creator. Because I am already a creator, that is why you don't have the become a creator option on my screen here. So for you who is not a creator yet, so you tap on become a creator, then you choose your preferred signing method, either using Google account or Facebook account. Set up your profile name, as you need to enter your desired hub name. Choose your primary content category and upload a clear profile picture. So provide your legal name with valid phone number, your email address as requested on the registration form. Then don't forget, add information, your payment information. Enter your OPay account details. Make sure your OPay registered phone number matches your details to ensure smooth payouts. Cross-check your information and tap submit. Account approval usually takes between 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, you can start publishing articles and earning based on your content performance. Thank you for watching and wish you success with your content creation journey. Goodbye.